Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to trade on Phantom Wallet. And by the way, Swissborg's got a cool sign-up bonus. You can go ahead and get up to $100 in rewards. Just gotta use the link below, either in the description or in the comments. Just click on it, scan the QR code, and they'll send you a reward card. Now going back. Alright, start by opening up your Phantom Wallet. And before we can trade, you should have a cash balance, or one of your tokens right here at the bottom should have available balance. Now, to receive one, you can just tap on receive right here. Maybe you would like to receive Solana. Now you can go ahead and open up exchange platforms like maybe Binance, okay, and buy Solana from there. Paste the wallet address, okay. And then once done, in no time, you should receive the Solana balance in your Phantom Wallet account, okay. Now another option, if you want to, you could go ahead and buy directly from Phantom Wallet. Just tap on buy, maybe select Solana or even USDC. Now here, just type down the amount of money that you'd like to buy for a Solana. Okay, for example, $100. Okay, now once that's done, you can now go ahead and tap on this option or the payment options that is available in your region. Okay, as you can see here, I have here debit and credit card and also Google Pay. So just basically select one, follow simple prompts, and once done, you will receive your Solana in no time. Okay, now once you have your Solana or any other cryptos right here or tokens, you can now go ahead and trade. Okay, you actually have two options. So first up, you have the swap function. Okay, what you'll do is just tap on it, and for example, you have Solana, right? You pay and you wanted to trade it to a USDC, or you can tap on the drop down under USDC and find the token or coin that you would like your Solana to trade for. Okay, for example, you have one Solana and you wanted to trade it for a USDT. Okay, you can go ahead and select USDT, type down the amount of SOL, 1, and then you will receive this amount of USDT. Okay, so what you'll do is just tap on swap, and in no time you should receive your USDT amount right here. Okay. Now, another option is by going to the bottom right, you will have the search bar, or sometimes if you're using iOS, you'll have the discover option. Okay, just basically tap on it. And then here, as you can see, we have these trending tokens that we can buy or swap. Okay, also the top list of trading websites. Okay, right here. Now, let's say, for example, I have connected my pump.fun. Okay. I'm going to go ahead and look for pump, like so. Now in here, you can just directly swap, okay, from the Phantom Wallet, or tap on the pump.fun website, hit on open, wait for it to load, tap on I'm ready to pump, and then once done, in here, you can now go ahead and log in, connect your Phantom Wallet, connect, wait for it, and confirm your account. Okay, give your profile name or username like so, and just tap on save changes. Okay, close it, and then here, let's go ahead and maybe find some coin in here, maybe E1 Musk. I'm gonna tap on it. Now in here, you can just go ahead and go to the live chat and just tap on buy. Okay, I tap down the amount of SOL that you wanted to exchange for E1 token or coin, and that once done, just hit on buy. And if you want to sell it, you can go ahead and hit on sell right here and type down the E1 balance that you have and just tap on sell. All right, that's basically it. That is how you trade on Phantom Wallet. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.